Oh, this is my pumpkin. Oh my god, oh my god. Danger, danger, danger. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Oh yeah.
That was good.
That was good. You already know what's up.
Dang, that was echoey.
So welcome back to the DIY challenge. Today I've got two new contenders, Kian and JC. Wait, whose name comes first in the duo?
Unfortunately, Kian's,
It's
but
Kian
that's
and
just
JC.
because it sounds better.
JC and Kian
doesn't sound
Josh
too well.
and Drake.
Oh, that
Josh
does sound
and Drake
weird.
sounds so weird.
So today I have offered up an arm each to Kian and JC to give me a sleeve. How many tattoos do you think you guys have?
70.
I have like 40.
So whatever.
He has an actual sleeve.
Yeah, mine goes like all the way.
Can you roll up the two sleeves that you have on that arm so you can see? Whoa, you do have a straight up sleeve.
Get closer to that. Look at that.
Oh, boobies!
Censored.
I have boobies on me, yeah.
Demonetized.
So I have a whole slew of temporary tattoos here, and we also have tattoo pens. I also have stuff to do tonight, so I'm not entirely sure if this was the best idea on my part.
That's a great idea.
But they're gonna compete to see who can give me the best sleeve of tattoos.
And the winner gets $100,000. Wait, I already have a tattoo on my side.
Oh, so does he. You actually have
I
two
like
on the
this.
side.
Great, fantastic.
You can cover it though, it's fine.
Just cross it out.
Yeah, just cross it out. No, next.
Is there gonna be a winner?
Yeah, it's whoever's sleeve looks better. They're gonna vote in the comments. This is the best because usually in DIY challenges I have to like participate, but now I just have to like chill and
Yeah, you don't have
socialize.
to do anything. I don't even know how to do this.
Take the thing
Stick
off,
it, lick it.
Nope. So many of these tattoos they actually have on their body. There's a feather that Kian literally already has. I have no tattoos. I don't know what you're waiting for.
Okay, go.
Okay, whoa.
Go.
I'm sorry, can you take this bracelet off? Is
No,
that
no,
possible?
it
No,
doesn't.
alright.
Who's a better drawer between you guys?
Kian.
Me.
Kian?
1, 2, 3. Me.
Kian. Alright, we're just gonna go for it.
Wow, this is like kind of terrifying.
Don't make it drip, dog.
I'll make it drip. I don't like that rubbing technique.
Yeah, the rubbing technique was a little questionable as well. I
Oh,
felt
it's
weird
not supposed
about
to do
it.
that?
No.
I feel like you're just like, yeah, like
Oh,
that
you just
one.
Dab it.
Rubbing
Ooh!
technique, are you kidding?
No, a little longer though. You need a little longer.
Yeah, you suck.
Wait, that was cute though.
No, it's not. Look at this one. Don't look at it yet.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it. It's not ready. It's not ready. Okay.
Oh, wait. How did you do that?
How do you do it?
That's okay, because it's a sleeve.
Rogue music note, just
Yeah.
like chilling over here.
Dang.
Wow, not my favorite location, but I think once you build it out, it'll be great. Okay, that's cute.
That's very cute.
Yeah.
So cute.
I don't know where I'm putting it.
I feel like this is gonna make me want another tattoo after
There.
this.
Hi, puppy.
How do you feel about hand tattoos? Like a tattoo on your hand?
Honestly, Mom, stop listening if you're watching this.
She wants one.
I'm like kind of down with that hand tattoo.
Under the eye?
JC, honestly, just stop.
I don't really like color, so I don't think I'm gonna do color at all.
Ooh, I'm getting a hand tattoo.
Dude, don't ruin it.
Don't say never. Never say it.
I'll never say never.
I love your dog. Oh, this one's gonna look so tight. What
Speed
the
this up a
F
little
is that? Is it playing music notes?
Yeah, she
Yeah,
likes
there's-
music. You
there's
see her
a-
piano?
What the?
Wait, did you take the thing off? You didn't. Wait.
Hey!
Dude, it's over. I'm sorry.
I feel like I'm gonna have the same sleeve as you, JC, just like a scattering of black and white tattoos.
Look, DIY, it's all about precision and stuff.
And it's all about
And Kian's
precision.
not very precise. Sorry. Okay though.
Are you gonna take that?
No, I'm not gonna take that.
Oh, wow.
I ruined it!
Dude, this is cool. I want to do this on me. Let me get some of your stuff.
Oh, this
dude.
is my pumpkin. Oh my god, danger, danger, danger.
Oh,
Just commit to it, commit to the art.
Doesn't know what he's doing, trust me. When he used to get all his like tattoos, he would go in and be like, I don't know what I want. Yeah, and he would just Google cool tattoo.
What's your worst tattoo that you have on your body?
Ooh, probably one Kian maybe.
Probably one JC did on me.
Oh yeah, that's right, you guys gave each other tattoos, right?
He tattooed a water bottle on me. Oh my god, Lauren. She's gonna go to the tattoo artist and get all of mine done.
I really like that we're going for like a color sleeve versus a black and white sleeve.
Yeah, some people like color. I like black and white though. Color usually fades. Wow, we're getting like really intense
This
now.
is, yeah, this is into it.
Don't come on my side.
Watch out. He's,
Oh.
dude.
You have to share the tattoos.
Reveal?
Reveal.
Oh my god.
Wow, a whole sheet. Wow.
He did that backwards. Oh man, minus points there. He did it backwards. Now she can read her own
Now I
tattoos.
can read my
Yeah,
tattoos.
you can see it. It's all about what you want. Oh my god.
Is there an egg on my arm?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm gonna start.
Oh, am I getting fingy tats?
Oh, that's stupid. That's right on the knuckle. That was a rookie mistake.
Oh, no, it's not too bad.
Hey, can I get this one here?
Stop.
What the?
I don't know what to do.
Kian, commit,
Do something
commit.
different.
I believe in you. I believe in you.
Can I have your arm?
Yeah. Do whatever you need to do. Wow,
You can't have it. It's her arm.
this becomes so uncomfortable so quickly. Oh no.
I literally say like this stupidest smiley face. I think I just lost.
Oh.
That's actually pretty cool.
It's
Like that's probably the
cute.
best one you put on.
I kind of like the sheet.
Well, guess what, Lauren? We're gonna yeah. Get out of my business.
Oh, I want that one.
That's
Sunflowers.
mine.
Kian, you only want that one because I want it.
You
put
guys
this
are
leaf.
like little fighting
I
children.
don't do color. Hey, bro.
Oh no.
Oh, I love my life.
No.
Don't get it zoomed in. It's ready yet.
JC, watch how the pros do it, all right? Oh, good night. Go to bed. I'll tuck you
Ooh,
in.
actually looks nice,
Actually, that's
Kian.
pretty good, yeah.
See, encourage the lesser half, you know?
Okay, who's the better driver?
Me.
I have to say Kian, honestly.
Really? Are you a bad driver, JC?
I'm not a bad driver, it's just Kian is a very weird, scary, but also very good driver.
I'm a very good driver.
Aw, yeah.
She loves this one. Everyone loves this one.
Hit me with that pride heart.
Let's get it.
Okay, who's the better cook?
Me, for sure. The only thing
This
Kian can cook is like
Mac and cheese.
cereal.
I can't cook either, it's fine.
Oh, is this like superlatives for KJ?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, on 3, we have to say it.
Who's better with girls? 1, 2, 3.
Me.
Him.
Really?
I'm only saying him because he has a girlfriend.
Yeah,
I don't
but,
have a
like,
girlfriend. I'm
who's,
lonely
like-
forever.
Who's better at like talking to girls? Like who's smoother?
Oh,
Who's
smoother?
suave?
Me. I know how to play harmonica. I'll jazz him up with a little.
Harmonica is like,
Harmonica?
what's up?
Oh!
Cute.
I don't know. I love these flowers.
Who's more organized?
Me, for sure.
No, me.
Organized?
Yes, he runs a circus at his place. Come to mine.
I have
Yeah,
to take
need
care
inside
of
your
4
brain.
animals and I'm still more organized than this guy.
That's a lot of animals. That's too many animals, I think.
I know, I'm sorry.
Who do you guys think is better looking between you two? 1, 2, 3.
Kian.
He's so good. I love waking up to him.
I love filming videos with him because I get to stare at his face.
He
I
is
love
the
this love for
cutest.
you guys.
I love it for us too. You know what else I love? This.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Dang.
It
Go
looks
to
like you're
Romeo.
going to Coachella on my side. It looks like you're going to like Slipknot concert on his.
Maybe like the 1975 or something. It's not that hard.
Yeah, let's go.
Who's gonna be
Too
more
good.
famous in the future? 1,
Ooh.
2, 3.
Kian.
JC. No, he's gonna come out with the clothing line. I don't know if I can say
Have you
that.
seen The Chosen?
If you haven't,
I have not.
don't.
Wow, I didn't even realize I was so naked on this side.
Yeah. I feel your heartbeat. It's really slow too.
Am I dying?
No, you must be just real chill.
This is the best DIY challenge I've ever done. Oh my god, something's happening on my elbow right now.
Oh, she likes it.
I feel like you need to like wet your towel a little more.
You think so?
You haven't wet it since 2006.
Who has bigger muscles? Me.
No, you just have more body mass. I have 4% body fat. I'm just all muscle.
I'm 2% milk.
Oh no, what? Oh, did you forget to take the thing off?
Yeah.
Oh no! Yeah, that one's done. Oh, we have big text going on. Oh
You
no!
already know what.
You already know what's up.
Look how cool that looks.
Wow, this arm muscle, like my tricep is burning a little bit. Oh.
I'm so sorry, dang. Put that down, rest. Ooh. The Sharpie smells so weird.
I'm like kind of sad we're not filming your video till tomorrow so that I could have participated in the video.
Oh, that would've been cool.
With all of my
all
new
the tattoos.
sleeves.
Yeah.
Freaking Kian, his auditions, I'm not gonna get. I'm just kidding. Good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck, good luck. I hope you get it, I hope you get it, I hope you get it, I hope you get it. You gotta go like that, and then I'll...
Dude, no way. I was literally just gonna do it on the elbow. I was literally just
Give
gonna
Really?
me all of the hardcore elbow tattoos. Wow, this is great.
You have to like spread it out. That way when you put it in, it's not like...
Spread your elbow fat.
Yeah,
spread that elbow fat.
JC, the whole bottom is not
Dude.
on.
What are you talking about?
Look at it.
Okay, now flatten your elbow.
Oh, I won.
Let's go.
Are
I
you?
can't see my elbows. This is
That's
so
small.
I like this. Usually we're the ones getting tattoos.
You're
Now
like-
we're giving tattoos.
Can you go like this?
Dude.
This is what real tattoo artists do. They just go for it.
Oh yeah.
Stop. I like all these. These are like
The
fun.
little ones are
Do the
so
alphabet on
fun.
it.
It's like A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D.
That's pretty cool.
E, F, F, G, G, B, 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 B.
I'm like a little concerned that no one gave me a unicorn tattoo.
There's a ton right here.
Yeah, there's a ton of unicorn tattoos and no one has been
There's
capitalizing.
none in black and
Oh, guess
white.
what? I'm
On the
capitalizing right
Okay,
now.
great. Oh, okay.
These just look
Okay.
good.
Wow, I have a straight up garden on my arm.
Ooh, rookie mistake.
Por qué?
Overlap.
Por qué? Overlap. Oh. It's okay.
No, it's not. You're just saying that because you did it. If I did it, you'd be all over my cake spray.
Hey, man, just the way it is, man.
Ooh, that one's cute.
Oh, but this is cuter.
Oh, that's cute too.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh, thanks for whatever you just did. I didn't see it, but I'm sure it's not anything good.
Who sings Sabotage?
Sabotage. Beastie Boys.
Oh no.
What did he do?
I think I hate this.
What did
Yeah,
he do?
well, I want to win, so I'm not gonna do that.
What he do, girl? What
No,
he do?
it's comments. It's comments.
What?
Wow, there's,
Hello. What is all that?
there's so many things sticking to me. Oh no, oh no.
Can you do that?
You do it.
Dude,
For
what'd
real,
you give
for
it
real.
right there?
I think it worked.
Oh, you're canceled.
Oh,
Why?
she's the leader of the pack.
I feel like this would just fade into a big blob of.
Of abyss.
That makes no sense.
Who do you think would win in a boxing match, me or Kian?
Ooh, I don't know. Kian's got like reach. You're like built like moose, you know?
Yeah, that's like floss hitting you in the face though. It's like, it's long, but it ain't gonna hurt.
He's like getting hit by a water balloon. It's scary at first because it's so big, but then you realize nothing's behind it.
It's plump with just water.
Yeah. Dang.
Let's see the bigger picture.
Oh, I think I made a terrible mistake.
I have one more.
Do we get to play?
Yeah, where do you want to put your L?
Middle.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, cat's game. Middle of your X's.
I won. Cut to when I won.
That's not how you play tic-tac-toe. Oh, are we matching?
Yeah.
JC, you're not done? Dang, dude.
What the? I'm pretty much done.
Well, guess what? I'm done.
Yeah, what?
Oh, that's too meta.
Yeah.
Delete it.
Too late.
Made a medal.
See on there. How are we feeling, artists?
Oh my gosh. It's
I like mine.
It's a no-brainer.
I don't like his because half of them are like not even half on
It's
there.
a freaking no-brainer, I'd say. Hey, now's your chance, buddy. Want me to do it?
Oh, well.
Well.
Can I pick one tattoo to put both on your faces?
I want the peace sign.
I want the
No,
star.
I get to pick.
Or the airplane, like.
Ooh, I want the cherries.
Like Kalani. Dude, it's over.
Oh man, this is just
It's
not.
really over.
That's a mess. I can't believe JC
It's-
would do you wrong like that by trying to take
It's
it off.
really over. She's undoing your DIY. She's
I'm
UNDIY.
No, she's DIYing it. She's
Oh,
doing
okay.
it herself. She's DIYing
She's-
it. Dicking it. Take that part out.
No.
Sorry, what was that?
I said dick.
Yeah.
Take that part out too.
I believe I'm done, by the way. I don't. Are
Me
we
too.
Yeah, are you done? Is this it? Is it
Whoa,
your
whoa, 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 one more.
One more, okay.
Oh my god.
We gotta have
dude.
God in our lives. One cross.
I feel like that glitter is more relatable.
Honestly,
Alright,
yeah.
we have to have glitter in our lives.
Yeah.
See, that's what I was going for. I was just making sure that you knew.
Right. My mom right now is just watching this video, just hoping that I don't get a new tattoo idea.
We're hoping you do though.
Me too. I'm gonna pick up face tattoos for both of you.
Wait, you're giving both of us face tattoos?
Yeah. Can you guys teach me how to speak K and J?
Yeah, just go like this. Just like this. Just say it like that.
I know exactly what he's saying.
See?
How about I pick one for James and he picks one for me?
Ooh.
Nope, that's not how the game works.
DIY bab.
Bad.
Try that one?
Nope.
That one?
Nope. Nope.
On his eyelid.
Right.
Here, let me make sure it's
No.
on there right. Here, I'll help you. That looks actually pretty cool. Do you know what it is? Tattoo's not on there yet, but okay. Oh my god, that was cold.
Oh yeah!
Whoa. Mine's an egg?
Rock on. I actually like mine more than yours.
Well, yeah, because I didn't know mine was an egg.
The egg has the most likes on Instagram.
Yeah, What do you
And
mean?
also, egg has more meaning.
And more protein.
And more protein.
Can I put one on JC and then people tell me?
No.
What the? Why, Dad?
This
Wow,
is good.
I look ridiculous. Ooh, this one's cool.
Yeah, it's like half done.
I have mixed feelings on both arms.
Why
Both
the
in
mother F did you put that on my side?
What are you
That came on
talking
your
about?
sheet.
That was on your sheet, buddy, old pal. Imagine a tattoo artist does a tattoo on you and is like, who the hell put this here? I like Kian's a lot. Everyone vote Kian.
I like mine too. Vote for me.
Oh, and you used the little pancake man as the O.
Oh my god.
That's pretty
Yeah.
good.
That is pretty good. I'm like more of a black and white tattoo kind of girl myself, but like there's
No.
some fun stuff happening here. Okay, so
Loser
guys,
gets this water poured on their head.
wow, I hate how your guys' challenges work. Let us know in the comments which arm you like better, and we are gonna film a video on their channel as well, so make sure you'll watch that. That'll be linked in the down bar below. Team Egg versus Team Rock On. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.
She'll see you tomorrow. She's doing daily videos.
No, we are not.
That's what she
She's doing
said.
2 a day.
We are not doing daily videos. Okay, bye!
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets.